welcome back to Manuel's Fun Zone.
Wait, stop it! No. This is the Food Safety Hall with Nneoma, your food scientist, your food safety expert, and today we're showing you how you will make yummy, healthy
Popsicles!
Summer is here. Emanuela and I are gonna make some
yummy popsicles.
Alright, stay here with us. Let's go! Summer is here and your children need something yummy and healthy. No more sugar overload, no more sugar spikes, no more crazy runarounds and getting mommy shout around. No. They're gonna eat healthy, they're gonna eat yummy, they're gonna flourish just for you. Let's go.
Yay!
All we're doing today is with simple ingredients, right? So make sure you're picking yummy ingredients. Make sure they are sweet. Make sure the children love it. Whenever we're making popsicle, I allow them pick what they want. So today,
we're going to be using pineapples, watermelons, and blueberries. And yes, we cut them at home ourselves. We didn't use store-bought.
Yeah. She's a food safety champion anyway. And for the blueberries,
we're not going to add blueberries to all of them.
Exactly. So like I said, it's their preference. And we're going to just go ahead to blend them. You see how simple it is?
So remember to wash your hands before you do this. So first we're going to be putting our watermelons into our blender.
So usually I use the softer ones first. You put them first.
Because they're like easier to blend.
Yeah. And then give a good mix on the other ones.
And these ones are really sweet as well. And now we're putting our pineapples inside. I love pineapples. These ones are so yummy.
I got them from Costco anyway. So Costco produce, they do a good job.
Yummy. So you're gonna add like half a cup of water so the popsicles turn out fluid and not thick, because we don't want thick popsicles. I think we did.
I don't know.
That's enough.
Now we blend. So I have this for my smoothie. Yeah, Mama always thinking fast. We're gonna fill in the molds and then we add blueberries for people that love blueberry.
So I think we're gonna do 7 molds of this and only maybe 5 molds of blueberry. Ours is 12 molds in total. And don't fill it all the way to the top or else it will overflow in the freezer.
Because you need to also give space
for the
stick. That's a good one.
It looks so good.
It's blueberry time. We go ahead and blend for our blueberry lovers. And of course, Mama always have a smoothie. I'm sure the blueberry lovers are gonna make the pineapple and watermelon lovers jealous. This blueberry blend is so yummy.
It looks really good.
I tasted it. It's so good.
It looks like just blueberries.
Yeah. See how rich it looks?
Yeah, it looks like a completely different thing.
I usually make only blueberries or all the berries. I remember the last one I made?
Yeah.
I made strawberry, blueberry, blackberry.
And one time we did blueberry and oranges.
Yeah, and oranges. And so we're gonna stick in
our popsicle sticks.
Yeah.
You can use the wooden ones if you want as well.
Yeah, whatever you have.
And if you don't have a mold, you could use a cup and the wooden one.
There is this way you can just use the disposable sticks that I have even in Dollarama. Those ones I used to use them in those days.
So right now we're all done putting our juice inside the mold, so we have to put it in the freezer for a minimum of 8 hours. And if you're doing it in the night, you can do it overnight. Okay guys, it's been 8 hours and it's the next day. I am so hot because I just came back from track practice. So now we are going to be trying our delicious fruit popsicles. I'm going to be taking the pink one with watermelon and pineapple. Is it good? It's so good and it's so delicious for a hot day. Surprisingly, they came out to be really sweet, which I didn't expect. Yummy. Kachi, do you like the popsicles?
Yeah, it's so good. It's my favorite. Can't stop eating it.
So do you like popsicle? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Ezra, do you like your popsicle?
It's yummy, 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 yummy.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yummy.
simple. Feed your kids right this summer. Even you adults, if you need something to suck on, the weather is going to really get hot. I know temperature in Canada, sometimes we have,
Extreme summer and extreme winters.
so we're going to have those extreme hot temperatures that you need something cool to cool you down. Have this in your fridge. We always have this in our freezer, and it makes my life easy. Remember, you can add anything you want to add. You can add yogurt. I do that sometimes. This is our first popsicle this summer. Stay tuned. Subscribe to Food Safety Hall with Nneoma and
Emmanuel's Fun Zone.
yeah, watch my daughter.
And watch my mom as well.
Don't forget to subscribe for more food trips.
Bye.
Ice cream chillin', chillin', ice cream chillin'.